Hi, welcome everybody. We're here in the Siemens booth with Bettina. Bettina, good to see you again.
Good to see you, having you.
All right, so what are we looking at here? What's behind us?
Oh, this is one of my most beloved use cases right at the moment because I'm a little farmer for myself at home, so that's why I love that one. So what you see behind us is vertical farming. And if you just look at the famine that we have in the world and the growing population and how we want to grow all these food for this growing population in the future, you know, we talk about 10 billion people on the planet in some years. This is exactly what a good solution looks like, yeah? So we're using less space, less ground floor, and it's much more sustainable than normal farming, traditional farming. If you just look at this one, what we have here, there's a lot of technology in it, but what it really does is sustainable farming because it only uses the resources to grow the plants. So it's using 95% less water than on normal farming. Just think of Africa, just think of Middle East, yeah, where you have a lot of sun, but then if you pour out water, it's evaporating in the same minute. This is a very controlled environment, and this is from seed to table, really a nice solution to grow plants in a controlled environment, less water, no pesticides, no herbicides. It's really healthy food that is delivered in the vicinity of where you live.
Love it, sustainability story. Now, I'm presuming that Siemens is not going to farming. What Siemens technology is behind it? What can you talk about? Can you tie it into the Xccelerator perhaps?
Exactly, so that's also my best example right at the moment I love most because it's a pure Xccelerator example where a lot of things come together that we want to create for customers, a curated holistic solution.
Right.
So this one is co-innovated with 80 acres. They look into modern farming.
Which is based in Ohio, by the way.
Which is based in Ohio, by the way. And the CEO, Tisha, is here, a beautiful woman, a lot of visions for how to grow plants in a sustainable way, in a modern way. So we really love that. Hello, that was just the interview. No worries, that's why the booth is so crowded. And this is what we really want to do in bringing the best together from Siemens. So you have factory automation, you have process automation, you have building automation to keep the moisture and the humidity in the air on the correct level, but also consulting and then financing is included in this one. So together with the customer, we are creating a holistic solution that really solves business problems.
Got it. What makes this Xccelerator a unique digital platform compared to others out there?
Yeah, so the platform is designed to bring everything together customers would need for the digital transformation in a way that they do not need to hop around 27, 50, whatever places in the internet, collecting singular products and trying to make their own solutions in their mind. We go vertical specific but scalable solution that said, we know that this is your business need, and we know we bring together all the different elements for use so that it's a curated solution that is ready to use. And we know and acknowledging we cannot do it alone. Yeah, right. We need to have partners for it. And in the sense of bringing partner to the platform, creating an open platform where people can join and people can add their offerings to what we already have, that's the real beauty of it. Yeah, so you'd find Siemens offerings, you'd find partner offerings, and we co-innovate together. So the matchmaking between us and partners, partners and partners, partners and customers, this is where the interaction is happening, and the interaction creates value for every single partner on the platform.
Got it. Now I know in the greenfield, great example for application. Let's talk about some of the brownfield and some of the use cases that you found for Xccelerators, some of the homes, anything you want to share with the audience.
So brownfield is always like greenfield is easy, brownfield is hard. I wouldn't say so, but each of them has their trials and tribulations. So that's why exactly here on the fair we launched Industrial Operations X, which is designed especially in the manufacturing area to help with brownfield optimization and brownfield modernization. Because you use software now to be more flexible in your production and to, let's say, elevate your production capacities by using modern software. We know that especially small, medium enterprises, they just cannot get rid of their whole machine park and they have a new one in. They need to modernize all over again. And this is why, as we said in Xccelerator, the as a service is so important because it helps modernizing your already existing hardware. On the other side, it helps you with a skilled workforce challenge. Yeah? We know that especially small, medium enterprise, they have it hard to find the right skilled person. As a service, especially Industrial Operation X, helps massively with curing that problem.
Thank you for that. I'm very passionate about the areas. I'd like to expand more on there. But before we do, I wanted to see perhaps where do you see the role of the Xccelerator evolving in the future of industrial manufacturing, and what new innovation can we expect from the platform?
Yeah. So I think Xccelerator is something like a super glue. It brings together the right partners, the right capacities, the right capabilities in a modular, flexible way. And this open platform draws a lot of people to it. So I see Xccelerator really as the accelerator to drive digital transformation where it is needed, yeah? With a lot of experts, with a lot of community, with bringing the best of all the different areas that are cluttered all over the space together on one point where customers find help.
Appreciate the insights, Bettina. And if you're in the audience, please post your comments or questions for Bettina or her team here. We'll be broadcasting back from Siemens later on today.
Very good. Thank you for being here, Lucia.
Thank you.